pretty good job. Boneless chicken breast, buy one get one free, but they may be high priced. That's the story. I'll go with you. Further down. Oh. You know, I come from the Mississippi Gulf Coast, so the shrimp are this big and fresh.
How big are those shrimp? He's not exaggerating. They're that big.
I boil them up in Zatarans, you know. But Gulf of Mexico is a long way from Lexington, and these shrimp probably come from China.
What is your definition of jambalaya?
This.
And what makes a good jambalaya?
Joe Davis.
Joe Davis. You grew up with it in Mississippi? Did your parents make jambalaya?
Everybody.
And they taught you all the secrets?
Oh, we should drink. Well, it's not
Yeah.
hard.
Well,
We got a burger.
I picked up a few secrets on my own. I used to cook a lot for my family.
And you perfected the jambalaya over time?
This is the second time today someone has unrequested brought up Zatarans to me. Because I'm from New Orleans, inventor of Zatarans, presumably.
This one.
I don't know why it keeps coming up today. People like Zatarans. Zatarans is delicious. I had to miss it now.
I guess you want those to just really get that all the way.
I'm not sure if it's might be manufactured in Opelousas or something, but it could. If there's a Zatarans plant in New Orleans, I am not directly familiar with
We
it.
love that. Good.
But I've certainly eaten a lot of Zatarans.
Yes, Zatarensis magnificosus, the Zatarans plant.
Is that right? I don't know. Where in the Gulf Coast are you from? Mississippi?
Pasquistan.
Okay.
Yeah, Mississippi.
Okay.
Got expelled from Biloxi High School.
So that's the key to the process? You're kind of cooking the rice within the meat stock, meat juices, spices. They absorb it.
And it's stuck up.
So I know I wasn't supposed to interrupt you while you were making it.
While I have my mouth full of eating it.
Exactly. But how is the jambalaya?
My mouth is full.
We'll talk later then.
You have to taste it.
We can dig in.
Thanks a lot, Joe.
It looks wonderful.
I'm super hungry.
Joe's jambalaya. It's good stuff.